So, using Sarrus rule, I would like to find out the determinant value. These are the shortcuts we will use to find out the determinant. Otherwise, if you feel, ma'am, that is only easy, the direct method, making plus minus, that only we will do, means you can do it. You can use these shortcuts while doing the problems in JEE, right? So, the first question is this. The determinant of, I would like to find out the determinant for 212, 101, 221. I would like to find out the determinant for this. So, the first step is, as it is, you write first. If you want to find out the determinant using Sarrus rule, 212, 102, 211. 3 rows finished, right? Again you repeat twice the first column and the second column. Please concentrate. The first column is 212. The second column is 102. Now see. Now I have to scratch this. Please look at here. 3 numbers. From here only I will get the 3 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. And next side, this side, from where? 1, 2, 3. This right hand side you will get positive values. I mean plus number you have to keep. I will tell you. First you just multiply and write 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, here I will get 0. Okay. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, it is 4. Now you just add everything. This side I will get 6. Same thing you apply for this also. So, here 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, it is 4. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Now you just add this. I got 5. So, always keep this in your mind, the right hand side number, positive number 6 minus left hand side whatever the value you are getting, that you write it here. Then the determinant value is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. So, this is using Sarrus rule finding the determinant. You know how to find the determinant in the direct method. Plus minus plus, right? 2 into, here also see I can easily find out the determinant within 30 seconds. If you are good in doing multiplying this, 0 minus 2 minus 1 into that row, that column, and then plus 2 into 2 minus 0. So, minus 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. The determinant value is 1. So, direct method also we will get the same value, using Sarrus rule also you will get the same value. Whichever you like, you can follow it, right? This is called Sarrus rule.